Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel The Life Science Educator. Today we are going to discuss about first kingdom of R.H. Whittaker's 5 kingdom classification, and the first kingdom is Kingdom Monera. So all prokaryotes like archaebacteria, eubacteria, mycoplasma and actinomycetes are included in the Kingdom Monera. So let us discuss one by one in detail. And the first one is archaebacteria. So archaebacteria, these are special monerans. They live in most harsh habitats. The archaebacteria which grow in extreme salty areas are called as halophiles, and hot springs they are called as thermoacidophiles, and marshy areas they are called as methanogens. The cell wall of archaebacteria does not contain peptidoglycan but contains pseudomurin. And the cell membrane contains branched chain lipids which is responsible for their survival in extreme conditions. And methanogens are found in the gut of some ruminants such as buffaloes and cows. These methanogens helps in production of biogas from the dung of the animals. I hope you have understood about the archaebacteria. And the next one is eubacteria. There are thousands of different eubacteria or true bacteria. They are characterized by the presence of a rigid cell wall, and if motile, they have a flagellum. And these bacteria exist in different shapes and sizes like spherical, rod-shaped, comma-shaped and spirillum-shaped. And they are of three types. They are photosynthetic autotrophs, chemosynthetic autotrophs and heterotrophs. So let us discuss about them. So the photosynthetic autotrophs, the cyanobacteria, also known as blue-green algae, have chlorophyll A pigment similar to green plants, and they are photosynthetic in nature. And the cyanobacteria are unicellular, colonial or filamentous, freshwater, marine or terrestrial algae. And the colonies are generally surrounded by gelatinous sheath. They often form blooms in polluted water bodies. Some of the organisms can fix atmospheric nitrogen in specialized cells called heterocysts. Example, nostoc and anabina can fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Here you can see the cyanobacteria. And the next one is chemosynthetic autotrophs. So chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria oxidize various inorganic substances such as nitrates, nitrites and ammonia and use the released energy for ATP production. They play a great role in recycling nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron and sulfur. And the next one is heterotrophic bacteria. Heterotrophic bacteria means they depend on various other organisms for their survival. And heterotrophic bacteria are most abundant in nature. The majority of heterotrophs are decomposers. They help in making curd from milk like lactobacillus bacteria, production of antibiotics like streptomyces bacillus, and they help in fixing nitrogen in legume roots. Example, rhizobium bacteria. And some are pathogens causing damage to humans, crops, animals and pets. Cholera, typhoid, tetanus and citrus canker are well-known diseases caused by bacteria. Bacteria reproduce mainly by fission and under unfavorable conditions by endospores. And this bacteria also sexually reproduce by DNA transfer from one bacterium to another bacterium by the process called conjugation. And the next one is mycoplasmas. These are the organisms that completely lack a cell wall and are pleomorphic in nature. Pleomorphic means they can exist in various shapes and sizes, and they can survive without oxygen. Many mycoplasmas are pathogenic in plants and animals. Pathogenic means they can cause the diseases in plants and animals. And these mycoplasmas, they were previously called pleuropneumonia-like organisms because they cause witch's broom disease in plants and pleuropneumonia in cattle and mycoplasmal urethritis in humans. And the next one is actinomycetes. These actinomycetes are branched filamentous bacteria which form radiating colonies in culture. The cell wall contains mycolic acid. Most of them are saprophytic and decomposers. And some of these actinomycetes are parasites also. A number of antibiotics are produced by actinomycetes members, especially from the genus Streptomyces. I hope you have understood about the Kingdom Monera and also the organisms which are present in the Kingdom Monera. In the next video, we will discuss about Kingdom Protista. Until then, stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.